Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well in your life and you all are also able to learn something new on daily basis and you all are able to improve your life. So, as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself where I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis till 100 days. And today is the 39th day of that particular challenge. And as I have taken a new challenge for myself, and in that challenge, I'm going to start storytelling with you all. And in order to that, today also I'm going to narrate a story which is able to change your life and which is going to leave a deep message for you all. So once upon a time there was in a village there was a boy living with his family whose name is Evan. He is good at study, but he is not interested in study, but he is seeing the peoples in their surrounding who is good in study and they are able to get a job, and they are just showing like they are living a successful life. Yeah. And even when Evan completed his high school, he is able to achieve a good score, but he is not satisfied in his study. So he become very frustrated and anxious. Then father seem even with some deep thinking. So he asked with even what happened, why you are so anxious. So even said, I'm good at study, but I'm not interested in study. So even father realized what happened with him, and he just start. He gave him a folded paper, and he said that there is three name of the successful people. You need to meet with these peoples one by one. So even is not able to understand why my father is giving this folded paper, and he just nodded with his father, and he goes for meeting with these people whatever written in that paper. So first he met with the an old people who is living outside of the village in his house, and his house is filled with some wood and dust, and he is a carpenter. So even met with him and he started his all story, and he introduced himself like my name is Ivan, and I'm this and so. So that carpenter laughed at Ivan. So why you came here? So he also said that I'm not interested in study, and I'm not able to see my future, what I'm going to do. I'm a bit confused, and so that carpenter suggests to him, I'm also not good in study. I'm not able to even I'm not able to pass the exam. But I think like I'm passionate about working with woods. I'm very passionate about working or creating some wood pots or chair tables. I started in starting phase. I create one table which is not complete, and also it is not good looking. But after that I created second and third. After that I gained mastery on it, and now I'm able to create any type of wood things. So he concluded the meeting with him, and he went out for met with the second person. So when he saw the name of second person, so there was a lady Marina. who is a good motivational speaker, and he met with that lady, and he introduced himself and then said that my father suggests to meet with you. So that lady said, I'm also not good in study, but I'm feeling loved while speaking with the peoples. Speaking with the peoples. And my teacher is also misunderstood about me. My friends are also not able to understand me, and they are avoiding me. But I am not avoided myself. I started talking with the peoples. First of all, I get a chance to talk with the people in a little event. Then I get confidence. After that, I keep started talking with the peoples in events, and now I'm a multinational motivational speaker. So after concluding the conversation, he met with the third person, who is a farmer. And when he met with that man, so that man said, I am the topper of my university, but also after completing my exam, I'm not feeling that much passionate about the study, and I'm not able to do anything in my life. So the moral of that story is, you no need to chase others dream. You need to listen yourself, and also you need to understand yourself. You need to make your own dream. No need to chase others dream. Like, there are so many people who are just watching others life. If he is able to be successful by doing that, then I'm also going to do that. So you no need to do these kind of things. You must need to listen yourself, and you need to create your own dream. Then definitely you are going to be successful in your life. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn something from this story. And if you have any suggestion for me, please drop over comment over there, and also hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who is really need this kind of content. So thank you so much for watching my content for a long amount of time, because there are so many people who are just preferring to like reels or short videos. They are not having attention span. They are totally lose their attention span. They are not able to stuck at a single video for long duration. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you all are able to learn something, and you all are able to change your personality. So that's it. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.